Hi. I'm Dark Hyper Bowser Jr. And today, I'm going to smash Rodimus bird stove with a sledgehammer. Ha 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 ha. Yes. I smashed Rodimus bird stove. Yes. I smashed Rodimus bird stove. Oh no. It's Rodimus bird. I'm in big trouble now.
Oh my god. Dark Hyper Bowser Jr. I cannot believe you used your sledgehammer and broke my stove. My stove costed $400. Now I have to get a new stove all thanks to you. That's it. I'm now calling your parents to ground you. Go home right now.
Dark Hyper Bowser Jr. Are you crazy or something? We can't believe you smashed Rodimus' bird stove with a sledgehammer. His stove costed $400. Now he has to get a new stove all thanks to you. That's it. You are grounded for 12 days.
Now go upstairs to your room right now.
Well,